Have you ever been caught off guard by a sudden hiccup? Let's dive into the science behind this common yet puzzling phenomenon. Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, a muscle beneath your lungs, involuntarily contracts. This spasm causes your vocal cords to snap shut, producing that familiar hic sound. Triggers can range from overeating, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, or even emotional stress. While they usually resolve on their own, remedies like holding your breath, drinking cold water, or gently pulling on your tongue can help. In rare cases, persistent hiccups might indicate an underlying health issue, so consult a doctor if they last more than 48 hours.